What's going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be going over some Robinhood app tips for beginners to help you make money in 2021 and beyond. Okay, so Robinhood I've been using now for I think 8 years, so it's been a really long time. And I've got my account pulled up here, and I'm going to show you basically how I've been doing for the last year, which has been phenomenal. Now, if you guys want to get started here and have not done that yet, I'll have some sign up and resource links in both the description and comments where you can get some, free bonus money. But, for the year here, you can see I'm up literally almost 30,000 on my account. Now, the important thing to remember here is I started with, I think it was like $200 or $300 when I, first started my account. And, over time, I've learned some things and done some things that have really helped me grow. Now, the first thing I want to point out here is that whenever you buy, whether it be a stock or a crypto here on Robinhood, always research it before you buy it. Now, this is easier said than done, but they do have some, features on Robinhood where you can actually research, stocks and crypto. The farther you scroll down when you're looking at, a coin or a stock, they're going to have what's called like the news feed here, and then you've got analyst ratings, kind of tells you if they think it's a good buy or not right now, and then there's also some Morningstar news which you can kind of like subscribe to on here. But researching anything before you buy it is very important. You can see there on Bank of America, I'm up a little bit, but I did research that one before I bought it, as well as everything else I own on here. Now, another thing that you should do is set up recurring deposits. Robinhood has actually allowed you to do this now for individual stocks, or you can just do this in your account on like a weekly, daily, bi-weekly, and monthly basis. Now, I pulled up a stock that, I'm actually, buying every single day. It's British American Tobacco. And basically, it's like a tobacco stock, pays like a little dividend, so that's why I like it. But I set up like an $11 a day kind of thing on here. And, it just takes the effort out of having to do it yourself, So when you kind of just set this up, it's like a set and forget kind of deal. So definitely set up recurring deposits. It'll help you grow your account. Then the next thing here, you got to think a little bit long term. You could obviously try to make a quick profit. For example, I bought Pinterest, I think it was like 6 months ago or so, and I'm up literally like 20,000 on this stock just alone. So, my whole thing is here, I could sell it, take the profit right now, but I'm thinking Pinterest is going to go up a lot from where it's at. So I do plan on holding this one, at least for the next couple of years. I think they could definitely get up to the $100, $200 price point. So that's why I'm, thinking long term. Another thing too, don't get emotional if you buy something that goes down, like 10 or 20%. Kind of just happens sometimes. I was actually down on Pinterest before it went up. So that just kind of goes to show you, don't get emotional. Now, another thing that I would recommend doing here is, have some kind of like price target for when you want to sell. Zynga, this is another stock that I own on here. And, I've been thinking about selling it when it gets up to, the $10 or $11 price range again. And whenever you buy something, you should have kind of like an idea of when you want to sell it in your head. You don't want to hold on to it forever because obviously things change with whatever company you own. Same with crypto. Now, I am going to recommend a couple crypto coins on here I would check out on Robinhood. They don't have a whole lot right now. But the thing about using Robinhood for crypto is that there's zero commissions on here. Unlike using some other, crypto trading apps, you can just buy and sell. I really like Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin is one I would recommend checking out. I think that, it's going to go up in value over time, really no matter what price you get it at right now. So I'd recommend checking that one out. Then I also like Ethereum on here. Ethereum's all-time high was around like 1,400-ish bucks. I think this is a good long-term hold, if you're getting it in the, basically anywhere from like 300 to, under 600 bucks, I think it's good. Anyways, guys, those are some of the tips I have for you. Like I said, I've been using Robinhood for a really long time, and I've had a good, 12-month run on here, so I hope I can keep it going. Also, like I said, if you could smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.